All right, so to solve something like this, we have to get this entire chunk of stuff all by itself. You can't really put the 2 inside the parentheses because this squared makes that something that's not really allowed. So we're definitely going to do PEMDAS in reverse for solving, which means do any addition or subtraction first because we're undoing what was done. I'm going to add 4 to cancel that 4 and add 4 to this side as well, giving me 40. And on this side, all we have left is the 2, and then this whole chunk of stuff, squared. Next, to get rid of the 2, we're going to go ahead, it's multiplying, so we'll divide, and we'll divide. And that's how you get rid of it. See you later. This side becomes x minus 3 squared, and then 40 divided by 2, of course, 20. And now we can finally, doing PEMDAS in reverse, the exponents will be the last thing we get rid of. I'm going to square root and square root. So the nice thing is, like the square and the square root, those cancel, giving me x minus 3. And on this side, there's basically two things we got to remember. This 20 is not one of my special numbers, but 4 does go into 20. So I'm going to think of 20 as 4 times 5, knowing I can kind of mentally break that up and square root the part I know how. So that's 2 root 5. And then because I was the one who put the square root in here, I got to put plus or minus. And then you kind of just don't worry about how ugly this is. We're kind of focused over here and we want to get this x by itself. So just the question is, what do I do over here to get x by itself? And of course the answer is we're going to add 3 and add 3. And when you do that, this and this, these are not like terms. You can't put them together. So the best we can say is that x equals 3 plus or minus 2 root 5. And that's how I'm going to leave the answer, just like that. Hooray.